And now you know what you need to get me on? You need to get me on GQ. Ozzy.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause people be like, oh, you look good, you like real sexy with your stuff. You know what I'm saying? You know, my little 6-pack things like that. Like shit, well, get me on GQ then. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta pass me that cup. You gotta do the photo shoot so they can see why you supposed to be on there. You don't do no real shoots. You be doing the iPhone pics.
I'm supposed to be on there because I'm that real one. I'm saying, you know.
Yeah.
So then when they do the little interview with me, they gonna be like, I like him. He's sexy, and you know, he's all right. He's all right. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, your white people voice is hilarious.
Huh?
Your white people voice.
Look at you.
What's up, youngin?
Is that the boy that came?
Yeah.
Oh.
Type.
Little Snipe. What a gang at?
Ain't no gang. I ain't with no gang.
You ain't with them snipers?
Nah, ain't no gang. Ain't no snipers. Ain't no none of that. I'm on some like Bride, KTB. I'm on some like real folk. Nothing like nothing. I'm saying nothing.
What you in work mode?
Yeah, I'm in work mode. Nah, that's KTB. You know, Kodak the balls, cut those in and all that. I'm saying. Ain't no snipe. Ain't no gang. Ain't no none of that crazy.
I don't know none of that.
Nope.
Say that then. That's what it is then.
Sniper!
Say that then, brother.
Sniper!
Much love to you, my nigga.
Aight.
Love, bro.